Maize farmers in the North Rift region are facing the possibility of lower yields this year following erratic and late rainfall this season. Many farmers are now replanting while others adopt a wait-and-see attitude to see if their crop will survive. Gabriel Kudaka with the details.
When the heavens finally opened about 2 weeks ago, following a prolonged dry spell that has been witnessed in various parts of the country, most farmers sighed relief and rushed to their farms. Some chose to replant after the maize they had planted earlier withered due to harsh weather conditions.
So kuna mahindi ingine nimepanda na mimi naona hiyo nitarudia. Haikomea juu ya mvua.
Julius Ngetich from Cheplaskei region in Uasin Gishu County thought he would be lucky after the maize that had failed to germinate 2 months ago due to prolonged drought finally sprouted last week.
Sasa wakati mvua ya pili ilikuja, hii ni ya wiki moja, ikinyeshia hizi ndio unaona zimetokea. Ndio unaona nimetoka zote lakini hazijatoka zote vizuri. Juu manake mvua inapotea.
The onset of heavy rains about 2 weeks ago was a major relief to farmers, with some choosing to replant following prolonged dry spell. But its inconsistency is a major source of worry, as others take a leap of faith to plant maize, hoping that the rains would somehow sustain their crop. Some have given up altogether and are now preparing their farms for wheat planting, which normally starts in the month of June. Some few scattered maize plants that had somehow survived the drought because of being in a moist region are facing another threat from the fall armyworm invasion, thereby further painting a gloomy picture of the maize farming sector. Gabriel Kudaka, NTV.